What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn the most useful ChatGPT prompts as a blogger, SEO manager, or a marketer. Okay, so what are prompts? It's just like a secret way to ask ChatGPT to do things for you. For example, let me show you this one. After this we move to other ones. Okay, open your ChatGPT and type this. Okay, I want to generate a list of long tail keywords that are related to the following post. What is the following post? Imagine that this post right here that you did right, you have no idea about long tail keywords, but you would like to have a list of the best ones in order to optimize this for SEO, for example, in order to rank better on Google. So just type this. Can you see? They are really good, related to your post, and will help you in order to understand. Okay, they even talk about long tail keywords. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because it brings daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet's on your site's favor. So let's get, this is the very first useful prompt to ChatGPT. Let's move to another. This is one of my favorite. Okay, so create a list of at least 10 blog posts ideas for the following topics. You need to separate the topics by comma. Okay, so what are the topics? This is up to your blog, but can be SEO, WordPress, Google, web design, so he will create a couple of topic ideas to your write posts on these topics. So really simple. Okay, of course not even all the ideas gonna be as good as you wish, but it's a really good way to start. Let's move to another. But let me know into the comments if you like this kind of content, okay? And if you enjoy one of these tips. So, suggest at least 5 SEO-friendly titles and meta description for the following blog post. Let me use this symbol right here. Let me enter with the blog post title. Let me close the symbol and type enter. This one is really good. Here's the meta description, really useful as well. Here is the question. Let's try another. This is about tags, so suggest at least 5 tags for the following blog post. Let me enter with the post title once again. Now let's try our final tip, but if you want more tips like this, let me know into the comments so I can share with you, okay? So this is about outline. So write an article outline for the following post. Let me use the symbol. Let me use another blog post so we can try different things. I think right here. Type enter. Nice, right? So this is a very good structure for your post, the outline, okay? This is the guide. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Borders WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your WordPress website and blog using Elementor or Gutenberg blocks editor for free. In addition, in the case that you are in need of the best free WordPress theme on the planet, go to your WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Enzo, click on install, activate it, and this is yours, completely free, and gonna gives you amazing menu customization options, pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, and many more features that not even some premium themes offer. And as a final note, in the case that you want to learn more about SEO, plugins, optimizations, go to visualmodo.com, review our blog, and in the case that you want to unlock access to our templates library, premium blocks, complete support while doing your WordPress website or blog, just purchase the Visual Modo Pass product and go premium. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!